Hello YouTube, today I'll be showing you how to get free RPG rockets in Gangstar Miami Vindication. Okay, first you're gonna navigate to this letter E, this E building, this one right here. Okay, let me do that. Okay, this building here. The letter E. Okay, you're gonna go up, come here, and the rockets are there. And just stay here and they'll come back again. Okay, so if this has helped you, please rate, comment, subscribe, and watch my next video for how to get a free flamethrower in this game also. Thank you, goodbye.